Hello, Jessica Frost-Ballas here, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm sharing a fun, new-to-me technique that I learned from my crafty friend Ina. Recently she's been sharing these stunning dimensional cards using embossing folders, and when she shared her process I just had to give it a try. I didn't quite follow all her steps, but I'll explain why as we go along. Anyway, let's get started. First I blend Kitsch Flamingo, Shaded Lilac, and Blueprint Sketch Distress Oxide inks randomly onto a panel of heavy stock cardstock. I blend between the colors as much as possible, and then add a few accents of picked raspberry for a bright pop of pink. Once I'm done blending, I dry the panel with my heat gun. I'm using the Spring Medley 3D embossing folder for today's card. It has a detailed pattern on both sides, and when you run it through your die cutting machine, it will dry emboss these intricate dimensional patterns onto your panel. Just look at all that detail. Now it's time to grunge up the panel a bit. I mix Shimmery liquid watercolor with water in a spray bottle and spray the panel all over for a soft shimmer. I let it dry and then also add splatters of gold paint. Now it's time for the magic to happen. I take a gold metallic pigment ink pad and lightly drag it over the embossed panel. I don't want to press down and get full coverage, I just want the gold to kind of kiss the topmost dimension of the pattern, but you can add as much or as little gold as you want. Before this step, Ina generally colors the background of her panel with a dark marker or watercolor, but this pattern is so small that I thought it would be a little too much. Once I'm done with the pigment ink, I let the panel dry. When it's dry, I spray it again with white iridescent shimmer spray to add even more sparkle and shine. I let the panel dry completely and then trim it down to 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 and adhere it to a top folding card base. For my sentiment, I die cut 2 layers of the hello from gold glitter and black cardstock and adhere them together. Then I stamp the sub-sentiment from Bitty Buzzwords and heat emboss it with brass embossing powder before trimming it down to a thin label. Finally, I adhere the hello to my card panel and then add the sub-sentiment with foam mounting tape for a little extra dimension. And that's it! I hope I did Ina proud, and I can't wait to play more with this fun technique. You can find more information on the products I used in the YouTube description below or over on my blog. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel. If you do subscribe, make sure you click the bell so you're notified the next time I post. Here are a few more videos you might be interested in, and until next time, have an amazing day and happy crafting. Bye!